Welcome to Planet Pals Learning. Hi pals! Today we're going to speak about blood moons.
What is a blood moon?
A blood moon is a special kind of lunar eclipse that makes the moon look red in the sky.
Why does it glow red?
First, we need to understand how the moon usually shines.
Oh, doesn't it reflect from the sun?
Yes, Teddy, exactly. The moon usually shines because it reflects the light from the sun.
But why does it turn red?
Well, the Earth moves right between the sun and the moon. This blocks the sunlight from reaching the moon. That's called a lunar eclipse. Unlike a solar eclipse, it's totally safe to look at and it's really cool to see.
So why is it red instead of, say, another color?
Let's do an example. A sunset. Have you noticed that a sunset looks either red or orange? So you can think of a blood moon kind of like a sunset. Pretty cool, right?
Definitely.
Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching Planet Pals Learning. Oh, hi pal. Thank you for watching our YouTube video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.